But child, y'all see this? Hold my glove. Hi guys, welcome back. We're back to my channel. So today we are in the bathroom because we are going to be dyeing my hair. So I had this amazing idea. I love pink, and why not have pink hair? So a few weeks ago, me and my girlfriend Sierra took it upon ourselves to dye my little mini fro pink. Didn't like the way it came out. We was experimenting, so I'm kind of happy we did what we did, so I could kind of see the color that I was going for, and that was not it. So what we're going to do is show you guys the process of the first try that we did, and let me roll a clip for you guys so you can see what that looks like right now. So, wait, so if you talk to yourself after or before you do something, what is it? The future you or the past you? So this is past me, you guys. I had to get it together. This is past me. We're about to do something really exciting. So what you guys just saw was me and Sierra trying to get a look together. The color I was getting, you can see it's like two different colored pinks in my eyes. I don't know what happened, what went wrong, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna fix the problem, we're gonna get it together, and we're gonna get that pink going, okay? So under this do-rag is what I cut off. And what's left, I kind of want the black hair to grow back so I can kind of have something to actually dye, well, bleach again. So let's take this off. Don't judge me, you guys. Well, it's gonna look like something when we finish, hopefully. So right now, so what I was trying to do was just to get it like waved back up, because the dye and bleach damaged the hair. It's like drying stuff. So what we're gonna do now is to get our products. I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be using today to dye my hair. So last time I did use this color, this packet. I didn't use the bleach that it came with. So what we'll be doing today is using the bleach that came in this packet along with some Adore Petal Pink. Show you guys. some Adora Petal Pink. This is a semi-permanent hair dye. So being that I have short hair, I'm kind of hoping that I won't need all of this bleach. So what we're gonna do now is get everything mixed up. It's not like a hair channel, so we're not gonna go into all of that. Read the packet if you got the packet. Just the packet say, and then go on from there. So what we're gonna do now is put on some gloves, get this all mixed up, and get to applying. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. It's in the process of opening the packet of gloves. I know I did not rip it, but child, y'all see this? Hold my glove. How dare you? How dare you? So let me put these gloves on, y'all. So put my gloves on. Right, so I saw a bowl at the beauty supply store, but I didn't even get it. So we're gonna be using a plastic ice cream container. Yay! So we're gonna use our bleach. We're gonna pour it into. Ooh. Dang, y'all, I didn't even rip it good enough. Do not try that at home. So this is our bleach. I'll say purple. Okay, so plastic jar. Get your old ice cream jar, whatever you got. Something plastic you're not gonna use again. So we're gonna pour that in there like so, right? We're gonna take this out, whatever that says. Okay, put that back. So directions for color, add 3 ounces of cream developer. So it did come with the cream developer. So what we're gonna do is put my curtain bag on my shelf. So this is 3 full ounces of the 20 volume developer. I gotta sneeze, so I'm trying not to. So what we're gonna do is just empty all of this here and here, like so. So boom, we did that. Oh my god. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and mix this up and then put some Vaseline around my edges and my ears and stuff, and then apply the bleach and come back when I'm done. So let's go and do the thing. Oh, wrong way. Oh, wrong way. Hey guys, so we have to bleach. Oh, no, we have to bleach. See in the back, so that's a good thing. Looks like everything. So we're just gonna leave it in a little more. Get it a little more blonde. So we can make sure we get this pink up in here. I see the lighter pink that I had, well, the darker pink I had, is lightening up. So what I was thinking was, if I was to just bleach the pink I already had, I'm able to have the pink that I want. It looks like it's right here, but I cut it all off and now we're here. So you're gonna leave this in for like, what, 5 more minutes to just get a little more blondes up in there, and then we're gonna go pink. We're gonna go pink, you guys. Make sure you follow me on TikTok because it's a short little video. You know, new cut, new look, a new color. Right, speaking of, let me go find that. Okay, you guys, so just washed all that bleaching stuff on my hair. Oh my gosh, look at this bump. Whatever. So we're just gonna take it off and we're just gonna see all the blonde and all this glory for the first time. You guys. Ooh, look at she. Okay. Okay, she's blonde. She's blonde. So what we're gonna do now, right? I don't like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me see. You don't like it? The blondie. The doll. Okay. So excited. So what we're gonna do now is apply the pink hair. So what I'm gonna do now is go make the other part of my TikTok, cause I switched my wig. And then I'll come back, apply the pink, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm excited. I see the bag. Alright. I need a little shape up, but that's okay. That's okay. We achieved the blonde I was going for, so let's just see. So let me go do that and then come back and then come back. Okay, so we got the color. I really think this is the pink. The pink. Once I wash it out, if it's not as dark as it is, it will be the perfect pink I think I'm looking for. So I'm gonna let this sit in for like 10-15 minutes. So it's a little orange going on. So we're gonna try to get that in there. I used most of the bottle. I have to clean it up. And I think I used most of the bottle, so we're gonna just let this sit. Then we're gonna wash it out. Then we're gonna come back. Then we're gonna see what it looks like. And then yeah, then we're gonna be done. Yeah, and I'll talk to y'all when it's done. Okay, you guys, I am the worst. It's been a week since I dyed my hair, and yesterday I was actually editing the video and I didn't even show you guys the look. I did a video yesterday and I need to shave my face, so I waited till the morning. I cleaned my face up so I could show you guys what's under my new bonnet. So, you ready? You ready? Here we go. The pink. The girl. She. Right? So I like it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've been in love with this color. But I know by the time I take my pictures and my photos, for the reason why I dyed my hair, I'm gonna have to touch it up just a little. But in the natural light outside. I love the color. And I can't wait for you guys to see everything that I've been waiting for. Get out of here so I can finish editing so you can finally see this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.